In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Telegram app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are experiencing this or any other related challenge while trying to use Telegram, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, if you're using your Telegram app, you need to go to settings on your phone and then look for apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Telegram, and here go to force stop. This will stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and then OK. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Telegram app, it should be up and running without any issue. But should you still experience the same problem, then check and see if you are using any VPN app or any security app. Turn it off or uninstall it to see if the problem will be fixed. But in case you still have a challenge, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and see if you have any update your Telegram app to the latest version. From here, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if this does not work or fix your problem, then most likely Telegram might have experienced internal error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes and try logging into your Telegram app, and this should fix your issue. So that's how you can fix this issue. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.